Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and today we are unboxing a super fun Martie haul. But you guys, we just wanted to bring awareness to today, hashtag Stop Food Waste Day. Did you guys know that nearly 40% of food goes to waste in the US? And a recent UN report found that 1 billion meals are wasted every single day globally. Me and Zena think that is totally crazy, you guys. Food is a gift from God, and we hope that all of it can be enjoyed by people all around the world. Food is such an amazing thing. Me and Zena are so grateful for it, and we are so grateful for this partnership with Martie. You guys, look at all of this food. You guys, this is less than $50 worth of food on Martie's website, but it is like severely discounted. So let me just walk through each thing that me and Zena got. Look how cute she is back there. She's like, hey, Luke, I am hungry. So you guys, these Rhythm cauliflower bites are life-changing. Costco used to sell these in like a huge bag. They have not sold them in a very long time. So when I saw these on Martie, I definitely had to grab those up. A lot of the stuff on Martie, you guys, is in like big multi-packs. So all of the sideways foods are in packages. These were a multi-pack. So yeah, that is a really great thing though, because if you love these, now you're going to have a whole bunch of them. The next thing we picked out was this really cool looking sideways foods riced broccoli. Now, this is basically just like a microwave rice, but instead of rice, it is broccoli, which I thought was super cool. Now, one thing about Martie that you guys just need to remember is before you purchase anything or before you add it to your cart, you can actually look at the expiration date of the products, which I think is super cool. We also got this Sideways Foods cheddar cauliflower, sweet potato noodles. We got two different Ritter Sports, which I've had Ritter Sports before. Literally life-changing chocolate, you guys. It is really funny, though, because it's a little hot. I live in Surprise, Arizona. Today, it's like 91 degrees outside. So my coconut one is totally melted, but that's chill. I am just going to pop that in the refrigerator, and we will enjoy that a little bit later. And then the last thing we got were these cauliflower potato chips, which those really sparked me and Zena's eye. That looks super tasty. So now we are literally just going to eat everything. Okie dokie, you guys. We just got all three of the sideways foods popped into the microwave. We slit open the top on each one, and you guys, these smell so delicious. Me and Zena cannot wait to eat them. So we are going to pop those in the microwave. There's the little cutie ready to eat. And you guys, if you shop on Martie, we actually have a promo code for you guys down below, and we are going to have some links for you also. Keep in mind, you guys, you can save up to 70% off of retail, and you can use Zena's promo code. I mean, how could it get even better than that? But let's give one of these a taste. You guys, I've had them before, but they are so good. Amazing. Okie dokie. So here we've got our delicious looking plate. Now, I did sprinkle a little bit of ranch dressing powder on these. Hopefully that's going to make them extra tasty. Right here are the sweet potato noodles. And I just wanted to show you guys what shopping on Martie's website looks like. So as you can see the photograph of the product, and then you can look at other pictures. And then this is what I mean by the expiration date. So they tell you when the item will expire so that you don't buy something that you're not going to eat in time. And they tell you how much you save. So only $9.99 for a 6-pack, you guys. That's totally mind-bogglingly crazy. $15.89 saved just on this one item. Let's give it a taste. That is really good, actually. There's almost like a little bit of an acidy part of it, but I'm into it. That would be, honestly, I'm thinking like sweet potato casserole with like marshmallows and chocolate. That would make making a casserole like that a lot faster. Next, we've got our cheddar cauliflower. And right here you can see we paid $9.99, a total savings of $18.33. And this looks tasty. It almost looks like mashed potatoes. Wow. That is really good. We got to take another bite of that. I'm into that. And here is our sideways food broccoli. Again, we just paid $9.99 for this 6-pack. That's a savings of $17.94. Let's give this one a taste. I mean, it tastes like broccoli. The sweet potatoes and the broccoli, they're really convenient way to get your veggies in like super fast. If I was gonna eat them like as a meal, I would just want something with them. Like turn the sweet potatoes into a sweet potato casserole and do the broccoli, like add it to like chicken Alfredo or like a pesto dish. I think that would be really, really good. There's Xena back there. Hey Xena, you like broccoli? Do you want some of that? Right there, that's broccoli for you. She doesn't like to eat it on camera, but she does love broccoli. So now I want to give one of these a taste. These cauliflower potato chips, they sound really tasty. Here is the cauliflower potato chips, super delicious, a savings of $2, and then a savings of $120, and a savings of $170. And you guys, I told you she doesn't like to eat on camera, but she is going ham for that broccoli. I tried to give her the cauliflower thing, but she was not feeling it. But you guys, this food is so good. Again, when you shop on Martie, you're helping stop food waste. Dear God, thank you so much for all of this delicious food. We just hope that all of the children around your beautiful earth can get access to the food that they need to survive through you. Amen. Again, you guys, if you want to check out Martie, we've got a link for you down below. Save up to 70% off of your favorite brands, and you can use our promo code down below. We've got a link for you. This video in no way is to say that me and Xena never waste food. We definitely do occasionally, but we just want to try our best for our future that we are going to try to waste as little food as possible. And by shopping on Martie, we can definitely help to do that. So this was a super fun video for us to film. And by the way, chocolate was really, really good. The white chocolate one wasn't like the best thing I've ever had in the world, but the coconut one, I could eat like 50 of those. And you guys, this is what we decided to do with the broccoli and the sweet potatoes. I scrambled it up with a little bit of eggs, ranch dressing powder, and some cheddar cheese. There was a little bit of corn oil too. It was super crazy delicious. But yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll never miss the next time Xena uploads a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Happy Stop Food Waste Day. Have a great one. Bye.